Mark, you've been critical of the supercharged mega cap monopoly margins driven by aggressive lobbying. What political and market risks threaten the Magnificent Seven in your mind?
Well, this is actually the reason why the US economy has been growing fine, but the US stock market has been going gangbusters relative to the rest of the world. It is the fact that the setup in the US has been consolidation. It has very favorable tax treatments. It has supernormal profits, particularly from monopolistic or semi-monopolistic behaviors. And when people like Warren Buffett talk about investing in companies with moats, what they're really saying is what we can do is we can find companies that essentially have very little competition against their margins. And US corporates work very, very hard, we all know that, in order to protect those monopolistic, semi-monopolistic margins. What I see happening now is two things, one of which is pure competition, and China is part of that in terms of producing better products at lower prices and basically forcing their way into distribution shipping. The second thing I think is that politicians are starting to turn, and the only person left to blame for the problems, unless you want to blame a politician, are the big corporates. So we're starting to hear some of these comments about price gouging